What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your Bharat here, and today I'm in our Grace Maniana's shop here to get something done in our Raptor. So Raptor is getting his bike serviced completely, and there is one team who have actually sent me one product to test in Raptor. The team name is called Kroozer, and everyone would have seen my previous videos where we would have put that hazard light in our helmet and the reflectors for the jacket. We would have made a video of that. The same team has made a strobe light for all the bikers who's doing long journeys in the night, in the misty area, the cloudy area, the rainy season. You can use this. So we are here in Maniana's shop to get the strobe light installed, and our Raptor is getting ready. On the wiring part, they're just planning how to go and do it. Hi! So you will see Maniana in a very different avatar right now. You can see with specs, with patai, and he's become a godly man now. Yeah, udracha kotai, everything is there. Now we have put the strobe lights here. This is from Kroozer here. He's talking too much.
Me?
Yeah, you.
You do too much. too much.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we'll finish the process and then I'll connect with you guys. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Watch till the end and I'll show you how the strobe light works, and if you want to purchase one for yourself, you can reach out to Kroozer team. I'll mention their Insta ID. I'll also mention their contact details, address, everything in the description. You can reach out to them and get one for yourself. We have found out the way how the strobe light from Kroozer works, and I call up Ritesh from Kroozer. Thank you so much, Ritesh, for guiding us step by step. Actually, we were in the thought that there was a positive, there was a negative line, and then we had a green line which was there, which goes to the switch. So we thought the positive and negative goes to the battery and gets connected there, and we take this green line, pull it to the switch and give it to the ignition. That's actually the wrong method. Positive and negative, the red and the black cable should either go in the parking light socket, like they give you a pin so that you can just insert it, or you can put it in the brake light. Either one, whichever you choose. If you're applying the brakes, that time the strobe light will activate. So thank you so much, Ritesh, and we will finish the work and then I'll show you the output, how it is. So guys, at last the work in Raptor is completed, and we have installed the Kroozer's strobe light, and it's working perfectly fine guys, as planned. So you can see our Raptor is ready and standing here. It got completely serviced as well. So a couple of parts you won't be able to see, like the wires and all, that I'll go home and fit. So we have mounted the strobe light here, one, and the other one is here. So how does it function is, you can just go and switch on the bike, and if you see, it won't blink here. So we have a switch here which has been provisioned. It's in off state. Now I'll switch it on. Once I switch that on, you can see the strobe light blinking very beautifully. And if I need to change the pattern, all I have to do is just switch off and switch on. So the pattern in the strobe light changes. So now it's a different pattern, what you can see. So this is going to be really useful guys, and it's very sturdy and good materials made of, and it's LED. So at last the Kroozer's strobe light is installed in our Raptor, and I'm super duper happy. Thanks to Maniana for getting this installed successfully. There are a lot of tensions, complications, like we didn't know how it works, how to give the connectivity and all. So I got a general feedback from many people that this strobe light is very helpful, because this is going to save your life, because the visibility during a rainy season, or maybe you're moving through a misty location, or let's say you're traveling in the night, this is going to give you a heavy visibility that one vehicle is going in the front and the people who are coming in the back can be alert, and it can save lives as well. So thanks for bringing such a product, Kroozer. Thumbs up for that. And yep, we are ready to go. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you are new to my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe, like and share, and also without fail click the bell button. Then you'll get regular notification in the future on very useful videos like these. So thank you so much guys, and all have a great day. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye from your Bharat. See you, tata, sayonara.